What's happening, guys? All right, so I am super excited to be bringing to you guys a collaboration between me and the American Joe Show. And what it is, well, we've got AmericanFreedomSupply.com. It's pretty cool. So if you go on here, you can get a lot of cool stuff. You can get hats. You can get knives, t-shirts. This one's my favorite. And tactical gear. A lot of cool stuff on here. And the best part about it is everything is made in America. So, me and Joe have been talking, and what we're going to do is a giveaway. All you have to do to win, share this video, share the website, go into the comment section, and write American Freedom. And you could possibly win K-Bar 120th Anniversary U.S. Army knife. That's pretty cool. Check the description. You'll see the exact rules to be able to win. That is pretty much going to be it. We will pick the winner in 2 weeks-ish. Then we'll be shipping you that bad boy. All right, take it easy, guys. Pew, pew, pew.